Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video I will show you how to restore WhatsApp backup. So to do this you have just to go open your WhatsApp account and click on agree and continue. Type your phone number here, confirm it, and click next. After that, click on continue, and after that, WhatsApp will start looking for backup. And as you can see, it tells me that I have backup on my phone for my chats, and I have just to click restore. And it will start restoring the backup. As you can see now, it starts restoring all the conversations with all the media and everything that I had. And when I click next, I have to type my name, and after that click next again. Just wait for a few seconds. The phone is now reading the backups, and as you can see, all my conversations are back again, and now it's restoring the media. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.